Hey everyone, Brooke here, and I'm ready to talk about this amazing new product that Shiseido just came out. It's the WASO Color-Smart Day Moisturizer with broad spectrum SPF 30. It's amazing. It's specifically designed for ages 18 to 25, so if you're kind of in that transition period between acne and adult skin, this is meant for you. I like to use it as a daily sunscreen and tinted moisturizer, so I just take 2 pearl size dollops of the moisturizer and I just put it on. I do this right after I do all my serums, and this is the final step in my skincare routine in the mornings. And what's amazing about this product, it is paraben free, non-comedogenic, so it doesn't clog your pores. It's mineral oil free, and your skin can just breathe throughout the day. It color corrects to match your skin while having SPF 30, so like everything that you need. And it also is anti-pollution, so protects your skin from really gross stuff in the air, and I live in the city, so it's perfect for me. And I'm just gonna be wearing this as a foundation today. My skin looks completely flawless. You can't see my pores, and I have protection from the sun. So I really love this product, and you will too.